What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good week so far. No trades for me yesterday, even though GGII was my main watch for yesterday, and it was the one stock I was looking to trade. Just kind of just hesitated on the buy here over 2 cents, and perked up to 205 and dipped, came back, held 2. Still kind of just hesitated. I don't know what I was thinking. Didn't pull the trigger, and it made the move I wanted, and that's just the kind of quick move I was looking for. So it kind of showed a little bottoming action and momentum shift today, yesterday, and today as was my top watch in the morning. And my first entry was I actually bought it. My first entry was here at 222, and I thought because it looked like it was going to break high of day, and that's kind of what I was expecting, and it just didn't do it. So first entry was here, even though it was a super small size, and was able to get some more adds in here when it was consolidating, failing to break down in the morning. Sold it all here at 235 for my first kind of little trade, and then second trade on it was I actually bought this dip right here. Came down, tested VWAP, was just kind of consolidating above VWAP. I knew it was still super early in the move. I like this little double bottom, little VWAP hold, and I actually stopped out right here at 224, and I was so pissed because I was on the right track and I had the right idea. I should have just gave my stop a little bit more wiggle room, because it obviously, as you can see, made the move plus some that I was expecting, or at least that I wanted. I was just expecting 25, 26, and yeah, we saw 3. So very, very nice move here. But I'm still very happy with my entries. I'm happy with. I apologize. My roommates are playing Apex, so ignore them. But very, very happy. I mean, if you think about it in big picture, like ideally, what I would like to do is have my starter in here and be able to swing this as long as trend holds, and as long as the stock never breaks down. To be able to swing it and even to the next day for like a second green day. That's really the idea. I just don't have the patience, and I'm still just trying to be consistent in the first place. So once I'm consistent enough nailing these small moves, I'll really start looking to swing some of these a little bit longer. But that was GGII, which really nice first green day there. So happy with how I played it. Even with this small little loss here, it was only like a $10 loss, but I was still green over from the morning, and like I said, I had the right idea. Just should have given my stop a little bit more wiggle room. It was kind of whack. That one little wick right there came down, stopped me out. Then we just pushed past high of day. So that's that. OPTI is my other one, and kind of saw it as a breakout. Let me see if I'm looking at this right. Yeah. Kind of saw it as a breakout, over like the low 90s. Not really a breakout, but just kind of breaking out of this little range here. Nice first green day, nice volume. And so I was really just kind of watching it in here after it kind of made that move up. Was just kind of consolidating. And I actually took my first entry here at 88 cents, or 0.88, and just risking this low here, like 865. And then once we kind of broke high of day and was just kind of holding high of day, holding that 92 level, I took some more shares at 92.1, and kind of just sold it all up here at 97. My goal was to touch a penny. I had my sell at 99. Just on that move up towards a penny. That was really where I thought it can go. And like I said, it's just the patience thing. I had my advanced order set up with my stop, my sell here at 9.9. Just decided to take it off at 9.7, and just kind of after being wrong for so many times, and just kind of struggling with finding consistency, I'm really trying to dial it in, and working harder than I've ever worked before. And so I'm just taking my singles, just going to take my small singles, and as I can get consistent, You know, and as long as the market's hot like it is kind of right now, I will start to look to hold on to these a little longer and really kind of, you know, swing these until like the trend breaks, you know, or until I feel like you know, the momentum has shifted in the stock. So it's really just taking my singles, and I'm happy with my 2 trades today. And so 2 for 2 on the week. I'm not going to count that one little loss on GGII that I got stopped out on. So it was a really good entry, perfect. I mean, the right idea, and still green on it no matter what. So I'm just not going to even count that as a loss. So I'm just going to go 2 for 2 for today, and yeah, really happy with it so far. Happy with my executions and my my how much size I have in my risk reward, and you know, the small losses that I've been taking when I am wrong. So I definitely feel a shift in my trading, and just want to keep it up. So that's it for today, and excited to get back at it tomorrow. Peace.